So in this part, I'm gonna talk about the geodatabase. As you know, in the previous video, I have already talked about the data. So the data here, the data which is has the information of the surface of the earth. If the data is point at which part of the earth surface the data belongs. So if the coordinate system and the geolocation is given, then the simple data becomes the geodata. And there is a base where all of your data is located or based. So as you can see here, this is the icon of geodatabase. So it is like a drum, means all your data is within this drum. So this is in total, this is known as geodatabase. The geodatabase includes your tables, your raster data, your vector data, your raster data, and there will be some relations among these vector data. So these relations you can make with the help of topology and with the help of the tables. So geodatabase helps you in different ways to analyze the surface of the earth. So geodatabase, here you can see geodatabase is a type of database that is used to store and manage the spatial data. Spatial data means geodata, the data which has spatial information, the information of the surface of the earth, from which parts belongs, maybe a line, it may be a point, it may be a polygon, which has a coordinate system, which has a geographical information system. So this is geodatabase. So one data has a relation with another data. Suppose if you want to know that how many trees lies along the road or along the railway line, that analysis you can do with the help of geodatabase in a very short period of time. So next thing is, this is multi-user environment. Your geodatabase can be used by not only by you but by many users simultaneously. So this is the geodatabase. How you will create the geodatabase? You can open the ArcGIS software, then you will go to the catalog panel, and we will in the demonstration part I will show you. Then you can pause this video, you can rewind this video, and then you can play it again to make your concept clear. Now let's talk about the geodatabase creation, and this is the arc map. For geodatabase creation, as we have already discussed, that we need the arc catalog. So I will open the arc catalog and I will choose the any folder, and within that folder you can make your own folder by any name. Like here, this is the exercise, and in the exercise part, this is the new folder I have. In this folder, if I click this one, then you are within this folder, and this space belongs to this folder. Here you will right click, you will click the new, you will find two types of geodatabase, the file geodatabase and personal geodatabase. So basic difference in between these two is that here you can store the data up to 1 terabyte, and here you can store your data up to 2 GB. Here 1 TB, here 1 GB, 2 GB. So it is recommended to use file geodatabase if your project is huge. Another difference is the file system. In file geodatabase, it is stored as a folders in a file system. Each data set is held as a file that can scale, as I told you, 1 terabyte. On the other hand, personal geodatabase, it is stored within a Microsoft Access data file, which is limited in size to 2 GB. So here I will take the file database. I can give any name here, and now the drum shape is this. Here in this one, what you can do, you can create a new feature data set. You can give any name. You give next, then you have to choose the coordinate system, what coordinate system you are interested. So in the coordinate system, as we have discussed, that the UTM, what UTM you need, if you need the projected coordinate system, you have to choose the correct UTM. So you will go to the project coordinate system, then you can go to the word, or sorry, you can go to the UTM, and within UTM you will go to the WGS 1984, another hemisphere, as the Nigeria is 31, 32, 33, I think. So you can choose the the correct zone. And if you are not interested in what projected coordinate system, then you can choose the geography coordinate system. And the geography coordinate, there are many coordinates which have different characteristics. Here you can choose word, and in the word there is WGS 1984. Okay, I'm choosing it, this coordinate system here. Do it next, and do it next, then finish it. Here, this is the data set. This is known as, you check, you see the symbol, this is the data set. And now double click here, right click, new, and you can make a feature. If you are interested to polygon, you give the polygon, and you can give any name of the polygon. Do it, see, next, then next. Here you can make the field names, what field name you need, as short integer, and similarly you can choose any field, then finish it. Here, this is, you have created your geodatabase. And now we will talk the editing. As you have already learned that how you can create the data, the next part is, once you have created the data, how you will edit geodata. To edit the geodatabase, you have to open the ArcMap software, and thereafter you will add the layers. You will start the editing session. So in the upcoming uh, part, you will learn how you can edit it. So for editing, I need to go to the ArcMap, and you can open the ArcMap. Here, this is the ArcMap, and as you know that I created, you should know that where you created your data. I created here, Abuja University. Then this is an example. A is here, the B, then C. This is the polygon type. I will edit. It will come here. I can make hollow. Then I will go to editing, stop editing, start editing, then C, do it okay. Then the C will be here, and you can make the polygons of your any place polygon. So you are making the polygons, and polygon is right here. You click here, you see the attribute table. You have got a polygon here. If you are creating further, you can do many more things, like you can cut it, this polygon, into two parts, or you can merge also these two polygons. So there are many more things you can do. You can merge, you can do some another, like see, if you have to extend it to another, then you can make autocomplete polygon here. Like this is the way you can make. the autocomplete polygon. You can make a new polygon will be added here. So this is the way you can edit the geodatabase, and there are many more things to edit. When you will explore, you can do it step by step from beginning to medium to advanced level.